decree of Cyrus, a new path unfolds. Exiles return home with hearts of gold. Ezra leads the first group back, foundation laid for a brighter track. Restoration of God's holy place, from ashes to beauty, a new face. God's people returning with hearts renewed. Restoration as His Spirit breaks through. Altar rebuilt, sacrifices resume. Feast of Tabernacles, joy renews the tomb. Temple construction hindered then stopped, but God's people persevere, their faith not dropped. Restoration of God's holy place, from ashes to beauty, a new face. God's people returning with hearts renewed. Restoration as His Spirit breaks through. Haggai and Zechariah, prophetic voices clear. Temple completed, God's glory appears. Dedication celebrated with joy and cheer. God's restoration wipes away each tear. Restoration of God's holy place, from ashes to beauty, a new face. God's people returning with hearts renewed. Restoration as His Spirit breaks through. Ezra rise with a teacher's heart, Scriptures taught clearly, a new start. Mixed marriages, a problem to address. Ezra's prayer, a humble confess. Restoration of God's holy place, from ashes to beauty, a new face. God's people returning with hearts renewed. Restoration as His Spirit breaks through. Hearts renewed like a garden in bloom. God's restoration forever in room. From captivity to freedom we sing. God's restoration, joy that clings. Restoration of God's holy